I'm a little tired today, but I got a lot of things accomplished, I think. First of all, I want to say thank you to my dad. He came in, as you saw in a couple of videos earlier. We cut down the trees at Brook Pointe, and that was very, felt really good to get all that done. If you don't see, you should go back and look at the videos a little bit sooner so you can see the videos that I did of beforehand and after of the videos, or the trees that we cut down. Actually, we didn't cut the trees down, we just trimmed some branches. And then I want to say I want to say thanks for Charles coming in this afternoon. Him and I worked on some automating some letters that are getting sent to Kconline customers about Benson's services. And I spent about 45 minutes. Eric spent about 45 minutes writing the content. I then spent about an hour writing and approving that content. And then Christy, my wife, she spent about 20 minutes or so proofing the content. And then Charles and I spent about 20 minutes today discussing the content, making sure that it sounded right. And because, Charles is going to be doing a lot of the work anyway. And after that, then we basically spent some time creating some automated logic and making sure that the format works, making sure that it fits in the printer, making sure that it that way when it starts printing all the letters out, everything fits in the envelopes, etc. So anyway, that is the Benson automated letters that goes out USPS to Kconline customers. We set the following conditions: that they had to have like a $0 balance, they didn't owe us any money, they were an active customer only, they had made like $400 in payments to me, several things like that we put in there, several conditions. That way it wasn't all just, not every customer got it as soon as it is. And then this letter will get resent after 24 months. And basically the letter sums it up, says, hey, we know that you have problems on your computer, you might not have a place to take your computer, and it gives them a free coupon to get the computer tuned up for free. And really we just offer the diagnostic checks and stuff like that. On the computer. And then, really, if we find any problems, then we just talk to the customer and find out if they want to fix it. If they do, then Benson gets a new customer. If they don't, then we did a good deed. So, anyway, that's what we did today. The following thing that we did, we worked on it. I was working on Freeside today for about 6 hours. And then what we did is we set up Brook Pointe Inn's Freeside account, so that way we can actually start billing out transactions for the VIP program for Brook Pointe. And the VIP program is where they can pay us monthly and they can use our pool and exercise room. So anyway, we definitely made a lot of progress today on that. We tested it out, actually created an invoice to Charles, and but nonetheless, it was really cool to get all that stuff done. And then we worked today for about 15-20 minutes or so, figuring out how we're going to get the electricity into the counter at Brook Pointe, because right now they have no internet or Ethernet connectivity, nor do they have electricity in the counter at Brook Pointe. How do you run a hotel without having electricity in your front desk? Beyond me. But nonetheless, we're going to change that hopefully by Tuesday or Wednesday of this week, so we can get the computer moved over, the printer moved over, and we can get Brook Pointe Inn officially on the web and accepting front desk check-ins in the computer. So that's the goal, that's the plan, and thanks for listening.